Hi guys, good afternoon. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm currently at another farm here in my hometown, in Ocampo in Bicol. So today they're harvesting the rice and I will show you how it's done. They started this morning, they might complete it this afternoon or tomorrow, and tomorrow they will show us how it's processed. From this one I will show you what the rice looks like. So here's the rice, guys. Tambigas rice. See, so once it turns yellow, it's ready to be harvested. So these are the cut ones. There. So the rest of the area needs to be harvested, and I think they will be done today or tomorrow. So this is what it looks like once it's cut, and it's by hand, guys. They cut it by hand. So let's see how they do it. And they're really good at it. They're so fast. Anoy. See how quick they do it. And then they pile it up here. See how fast. So after they harvest the rice, guys, they would pile it up into, oops, they will pile it up to this. Okay, they will pile it up and they will put it inside a machine that will separate the hay and the rice. And they said it won't be done tomorrow because they have more to go. So maybe in 2 days they will have the machine, everything ready, and I will show you the process. So yeah, so this is the rice field, this is the town. This is the place where I grew up, and my house is right there. I can walk it for like maybe 10 minutes from here, so it's not far from my house. It's a beautiful countryside, guys. Very breezy. It's peaceful and it's quiet. And look, there's buffalo here. There's buffalo mama and buffalo baby. I don't want to disturb them, but look, they're swimming. Hi mama, hi baby. Mama's looking at me. Mama's mad. Bye mama, bye baby. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-harvest ng rice. So yung lupang to, it's about 1.5 hectares dito sa lugar namin. Saka ano to, sangla. So this is a pond land. So it's a common practice here in the Philippines. So instead of going to the bank or to a broker, if you own a land, you can just pawn it. So so this land has been pawned to me since I think September last year or November. So this is actually the second harvest. The first one did not go well because of the 3 typhoons, but hopefully this time it will. So we'll see. So I'll show it to you guys. So they already not cut, but they already harvested the rice. So this is the process on how to take out the rice from the hay, like this. See? So this one they'll have to separate. So that's what they're doing today. So I'm just gonna go say hi. So I'll show you how it's done. Actually, there's 2 ways to do it. This one is done manually, so the old school way, and there's also one, it's called harvester. So the machine will cut the rice field, the rice itself, and then it goes inside the machine and goes inside the bag. But this one is the traditional way. So we'll see how it goes. I'll show you how they separate the hay and the rice using this machine. This one is called treset. So it goes in here, the rice and the hay, and then here comes out the rice, and here comes out the hay. So that's how they separate it. So let's back up because they're getting started. So this area guys is still part of the pond land. Sangla pa rin to sa amin Kaso hindi nasabay kasi it rained too much. So they had to plant it separate. So well, they planted all at once. Kaso umulan ng malakas, ito namatay. So they had to plant again. So eventually we'll have to harvest this again, maybe in a few weeks. So only this side was harvested. The ones that are green with this way, this one is not ready yet. It has to turn yellow for it to be ready to be harvested. So hopefully in a few weeks this one will be harvested as well. So since this land is pond, sangla, the people that are taking care of this are the actual landowner. So this land is in a good hand. So naalagaan nila kasi sarili nila to eh. So at least at the end of the day, may harvest din sila dito sa lupa. Kahit na hindi na sila yung may-ari for now, meron din silang share. So saka mas mabuti yun kasi naalagaan yung lupa, naalagaan yung mga tanim. So whenever they're ready to take back their land, they will give you the money back and then you return the land. At least that way there's no interest, right? So very common practice here in the Philippines. So once they're done, we will carry the sack in the truck and then we take it to another area where it needs to be dried. So when we sell the rice, it has to be dry. So that one will be done tomorrow. They'll dry the rice. So dito guys sila magbibilad ng palay bukas. So they'll just lay it here to be sun dried, the rice. So from the farm, put in the truck, unload. This is what we got so far. And then I think tomorrow will be laid out here to be sun dried because we can only sell it dry. Kailangan siyang biladin. Biladin muna yung palay bago siya ibenta. So I don't know how much we'll harvest today. So far we have I think 54 sack. 54 sack of rice. This much. So there's more to go at the farm. This is the dryer, guys. They only use it when it's rainy season. Here. It's 31 degrees, guys. And farmers work hard, very very hard to harvest this rice. This is the rice we harvested earlier today. So we got 72 sack, but we have to pay the one that took care of the land, the one that owns the treasure, and other payment that needs to be paid. So from 72 we ended up taking home 55. So I'll show you. So here, 55 sacks. And tomorrow it will be laid out here for it to dry, because we have to sell it dry. So yeah, 55. But remember, that's not it, guys. We have more to harvest that's still green, so we can't harvest it yet. It's because it rained a lot, so the plant didn't thrive. Some areas it didn't thrive, so they had to replant again. So that's why I think we can get about, they said estimated maybe 30 more sacks of rice. But we'll see in a few weeks. So this is the dryer, guys, that I mentioned earlier. So I was told that they only use it when it's like rainy season. So but when it's summer, it's hot like this, they just sun dry the rice. A lot cheaper, because this one you still have to pay. But let's have a look at the dryer. I haven't seen them use this myself, so I don't know how it goes, but this is what it looks like. Here, some other machineries. Let's see. A little window here, you can take a peek inside. My boys are here playing ball, my babies. Aggie just went swimming in the river. He loves it. Aggie loves water. Hi, Gigi. Hi, Balin. Play ball. There's my other baby. Hi, Xiong, my baby. This is my baby. Xiong. You don't need shoes here to play basketball. Just chinelas. They're good to go.